a profound awakening is taking place among people worldwide as they recognize a cosmic shift pushing humanity towards heightened awareness. The world undergoes constant change, with evolving societies, advancing technologies, and deepening understanding of the universe. Dolores Cannon, drawing from her extensive work in hypnotherapy, unveils a deeper dimension to this shift. It transcends the physical realm, reaching into the very essence of our souls, marking a significant leap in consciousness and a transformative self-discovery journey. According to Cannon's research, this shift isn't a mere progression of time. It signifies a multidimensional leap from a predominantly 3D reality to a 5D one. It entails a transition from separation, fear, and limitation to unity, love, and boundless potential. This shift, often termed the awakening, is a collective process affecting humanity at large. Cannon identified 3 waves of volunteers incarnating on Earth to assist in this transition. The first wave, in the 1940s and 1960s, laid the groundwork. The second wave, in the 1970s and 1980s, brought love and transformation. The third wave, born from the 1990s onwards, is crucial in anchoring the new consciousness on Earth. This shift isn't a utopian escape, but an inner transformation that creates a new world from within. It involves shedding old beliefs, embracing higher vibrational frequencies, and living from the heart. Love, compassion, and forgiveness are central to this process, unlocking our true potential and aligning with the energies of the new Earth. Facing challenges is integral to the shift. The ego's resistance, external skepticism, and societal upheaval may occur. However, these challenges are opportunities for growth. The shift calls for befriending the ego, staying true to one's path, and building a supportive community. Dolores Cannon stressed the importance of inner work healing past traumas, releasing limiting beliefs, and fostering love and compassion. Forgiveness plays a pivotal role in this process, freeing energy for personal growth. Aligning beliefs with higher frequencies is essential for transitioning to the new Earth. Unity consciousness emerges as a significant aspect of the shift, transcending divisions and recognizing interconnectedness. Embracing compassionate action, sharing unique gifts, and trusting the unfolding process contribute to navigating the shift successfully. In times of uncertainty, trust becomes a guiding light. Trusting oneself, the process, and the higher plan of the universe eases the journey. Building a supportive community aligned with one's vision enhances strength and motivation. The teachings of Dolores Cannon illuminate this transformative journey. As the shift invites active participation in co-creating a new Earth, her wisdom serves as inspiration on the path towards a brighter future. Together, a global community of awakened individuals can navigate the shift, fostering a world filled with love, harmony, and unity. Embracing the profound teachings of Dolores Cannon becomes a guiding compass on the transformative journey ahead. As the shift unfolds, individuals are invited to let go of fear, embrace change, and become beacons of love and compassion in the world. This collective awakening is an opportunity to co-create a new Earth filled with love, harmony, and unity. As the energies of the shift continue to ripple through the world, the growing interest in meditation, mindfulness, and holistic healing reflects a broader acknowledgement of living in harmony with nature and each other. The spiritual and metaphysical exploration that has become increasingly prevalent is a clear sign of the shifting consciousness. Dolores Cannon's struggles in the ATS to publish her books have transformed into widespread interest and acceptance, signifying a global readiness for deeper spiritual insights. Navigating change, however, can be both exciting and challenging. The crumbling of old paradigms may bring uncertainty and chaos, but it is within chaos that new possibilities emerge. Resistance to change, often manifested through the ego's concerns, is a natural part of the process, indicating that one is pushing the boundaries of their comfort zone. Dolores Cannon's encouragement to trust the process and surrender to the flow of life becomes especially poignant during times of change. Understanding that life experiences may have been planned before incarnating on Earth provides a sense of trust and acceptance amidst challenges and opportunities. Confronting and overcoming fear is crucial on this journey. Fear, the opposite of love, can hinder individuals from realizing their true potential. Facing fears head-on, acknowledging them, and transmuting them into love aligns individuals with the higher frequencies of the shift. The power of intention, another key aspect of Dolores Cannon's teachings, plays a pivotal role in shaping personal and collective reality. Reflecting on intentions aligned with one's highest values and the greater good contributes to the manifestation of a new Earth. Unity consciousness, a fundamental element of the shift, transcends divisions and fosters an understanding of interconnectedness. Embracing this perspective transforms how individuals relate to each other and the planet, creating a ripple effect of positive change. Compassionate action, as advocated by Dolores Cannon, becomes a tangible expression of the shift. Volunteering, supporting charitable causes, and sharing unique gifts contribute to the collective upliftment of consciousness. Being part of a community that aligns with one's spiritual path provides strength and motivation. In these transformative times, trust becomes a guiding light. Trusting oneself, the process, and the higher plan of the universe allows individuals to navigate the shift with greater ease and grace. Connecting with like-minded individuals in a supportive community reinforces a sense of belonging and encouragement. The teachings of Dolores Cannon echo through these transformative times. They serve as a source of inspiration and empowerment. With a shared vision and a commitment to love, harmony, and unity, individuals around the globe can actively participate in co-creating a new Earth. Together, this awakened global community can turn the vision of a world filled with love into a tangible reality. The shift is not just a concept, it is a living, breathing reality that beckons each person to contribute their unique essence to the evolving tapestry of human consciousness. The transformative journey catalyzed by the teachings of Dolores Cannon invites each individual to actively contribute their unique essence to the evolving tapestry of human consciousness. The shift is not a distant concept, but a living, breathing reality that beckons everyone to participate in the co-creation of a new Earth. Within this collective endeavor, the importance of individual contributions becomes evident. The diverse gifts, talents, and perspectives that each person brings to the table play a crucial role in shaping the emerging paradigm. Dolores Cannon's emphasis on sharing these unique qualities with the world resonates as a call to action. As individuals navigate the shift, fostering a sense of unity and interconnectedness becomes paramount. This shift in consciousness encourages transcending societal divisions and recognizing the divine essence within every being. This profound perspective has the potential to redefine relationships, both with others and with the planet, fostering a world guided by respect and compassion. Compassionate action, a cornerstone of Dolores Cannon's teachings, takes on deeper significance in this context. Every act of kindness, generosity, and service contributes to the collective upliftment of consciousness. Whether through volunteering, supporting charitable causes, or simply being kind and helpful to those around, individuals actively participate in the positive transformation of the world. The power of intention, as explored in Cannon's teachings, remains a potent force in manifesting positive change. Reflecting on intentions aligned with the highest values and the greater good empowers individuals to be conscious co-creators in this unfolding process. The ripple effect of aligned intentions can shape not only personal realities, but also contribute to the manifestation of a harmonious and loving collective experience. In times of uncertainty and change, trust continues to be a guiding principle. Trusting oneself, the process, and the higher plan of the universe provides a foundation for navigating challenges with resilience and grace. The interconnected support within a like-minded community reinforces this sense of trust, creating a shared space for encouragement and mutual growth. The global community of awakened individuals, inspired by Dolores Cannon's teachings, forms a collective tapestry of diverse experiences and perspectives. Each thread contributes to the rich fabric of a new earth, woven with love, harmony, and unity. The shift is not a solitary journey, but a shared exploration of consciousness, and the interconnectedness of this global community becomes a source of strength and inspiration. As the world undergoes this profound transformation, the teachings of Dolores Cannon serve as a timeless guide. Her wisdom continues to inspire individuals to embrace their true nature, navigate the challenges of the shift, and actively participate in the co-creation of a reality characterized by love, compassion, and unity. In this era of awakening, the invitation is extended to everyone. Are you ready to embark on this transformative journey? Are you prepared to let go of fear, embrace change, and contribute your unique essence to the emerging tapestry of human consciousness? The shift is happening now, and each individual, with their inherent gifts and capacities, has a vital role to play in shaping the destiny of a new earth. Together, united in purpose and guided by love, humanity can truly manifest the vision that Dolores Cannon envisioned: a world of profound beauty, interconnectedness, and boundless potential.